Hello everyone. Today I am going to introducing the Taurus AirCastle, the ultimate case for the iPhone 14 Pro. With its sleek design, MagSafe compatibility, and military-grade protection, the AirCastle is the perfect way to keep your new iPhone safe and stylish. Cut to a montage of shots of the AirCastle case in different colors and finishes. Narrator. The AirCastle is made with a premium polycarbonate shell that is both durable and lightweight. It features a raised lip around the screen and camera to protect them from scratches and drops. And with its built-in MagSafe magnets, the AirCastle is compatible with all of your favorite MagSafe accessories. Cut to a shot of the AirCastle case being attached to a MagSafe charger. Narrator. Whether you're charging your iPhone wirelessly or using a MagSafe wallet or car mount, the AirCastle makes it easy to keep your iPhone powered up and protected. Cut to a shot of the AirCastle case being dropped from a height. Narrator. The AirCastle is also military-grade drop tested, so you can be sure that it will protect your iPhone from even the most serious falls. Cut to a montage of shots of people using the AirCastle case in different situations. Narrator. Whether you're at work, at the gym, or on the go, the Taurus AirCastle is the perfect way to keep your iPhone safe and stylish. Video ends with a shot of the AirCastle case logo. Narrator. Taurus AirCastle, the ultimate case for the iPhone 14 Pro.